brush sets. It says it right here, and it came packaged like this. And I hope they're not ruined, because it seems the people at the post office like squished it in my little tiny mailbox, which I don't know why they didn't just put it in like the big ones and gave me a key. But we're gonna open it and see. Got it opened, and I'm just gonna pull it out. My daughter was going to help me, but she wants to relax. I don't know. How beautiful are these? Sorry for the glare, guys. Look how nice. Alright, let me see. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, and they're super soft. Oh my gosh, I love it. And these are from the brand Solve. I'll definitely have pictures and information in the description box. Oh, I love this. These are gorgeous. They are super soft. I am once again amazed. This is beautiful and soft. I love them. I like the different colors. We have the dark brown, the light yellow and gray at the top, and then we have the black tip and white. So, but they are super soft. I love it. Also comes with a fan brush right here. And I don't know if you want to call me old school or whatever, but I still use these as well, like for the inner corners or anything like that, or whatever it may be. But these look like they ain't going nowhere. That's good. They put on here very well, and it's soft too. I like this. This is real nice. Such a good nice gift set too. Thank you guys so much. I'm definitely going to put pictures and the links down below. Please go check them out and tell them MAiNZz I sent you.